What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So in this video, it is all about this guy right here, the unboxing of the Fujifilm X-T30 with also the kit lens. So let's see what's inside of this box. And here it is, guys, the Fujifilm X-T30 unboxing, second generation, with a little lens in it, the kit lens. So let's check this out. We got some manual work, some handbooks, and some other things that we're never going to look at, but make sure to register, by the way, to get some extra warranty options. Ooh, here it is already. Ooh, ooh la la. The Fujifilm X-T30. Nice APS-C sensor. Ooh, looking pretty cool. All right. Nice tilting screen. No selfie screen, but that's okay. I don't mind because this looks pretty darn good. Put that to the side. What else do we got? A box inside of the box. Some more paperwork that we're never going to look at. Ah, the kit lens. Good old kit lens. This was the 15 to 45. 15 to 45, so more or less the 24 to 70 kind of lens, which is okay. It's nice, small, compact, good for every day. What else do we got? A neck strap, never going to use that. USB-C to USB-A, never going to use that because I got multiple already. And here it is, the battery, which we definitely need in here. SD card slot also at the bottom. There is juice. Alright, let's check it out with a lens. This right here is the Viltrox lens. Looking pretty sweet, I must say. Alright, filming now on the Fujifilm X-T30, 4K 25 frames per second. How does it look? And I'm also recording the audio together with my Sony camera and with the Fujifilm camera, so that you can also hear what the audio quality is from the X-T30. So far, I think it looks okay on the little screen itself. Am I a little bit up too high on the, I don't really know. I got a little mirror here, so I think I'm looking pretty okay in terms of image quality. Let me know in the comment section down below. And here are also some photos. If you want to see the full review of this camera, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.